Hey, this is easiTiVi, and today we are going to be looking at Amigami, and we have 3 Amigamis to open and play with. We have Squirrel and Treehouse, and we have Scotty Dog and the Doghouse, and we have Tropical Bird and Beach House, and we're also joined with Pinkie Pie. Hi, Pinkie Pie. How are you doing? Are you going to help us open up all the Amigamis today? Yes, I am going to open up all the Pinkie Pie. Yes, I am. Okay, well, you're going to help me and Pinkie, and we're going to get them all opened up, and we're going to have a wee play. Okay, we've got all the Amigamis out of the boxes, and we're going to have a wee look and see what they come with now, Pinkie. Okay, we're going to show all our viewers. So, first of all, the Squirrel in the Treehouse, all ready to go, and each of these come with the stick is curling tool, and then you can see all the little pins that it comes with to help you decorate your Amigami, and then it comes with all these lovely stickers of your choice, and there's also a instruction sheet, and then there's more decorating sheets, lots and lots and lots and lots for you to choose from. Okay, and then we have the Scotty Dog, and he's also out of his packaging, and he's pretty cool. And again, the pin, lots of pins, curling tool, and all the stuff to decorate. Something similar to what we've just looked at. And loads. Hey, Pinkie, what are you saying, Pinkie?
That dog's mine.
Okay, let's out of the way to see the last one. Okay, the Tropical Bird, and the lovely pink roof. And then again, we've got, oops.
That house is totally mine.
We've got the curling tool and lovely pink pins in this one. And more decorating.
Mine.
Oh yes, because it's tropical, there's birds and there's fish and there's shells and there's bananas and pineapples and oh, that's good.
Pirate's
And
cat.
an instruction sheet. And then we have all the same stuff to decorate.
And myself.
So Pinkie, do you think we should decorate?
Yeah!
Let's get Amigami decorating, guys!
Yeah! Try!
Okay, Pinkie! Goodness sake! Okay, we're finished with our Okay, Pinkie, now we're going to have a wee look at our Amigamis that we've just finished building. Now listen guys, we got these in Home Bargains in the UK. They were $2.99 for each pack. They have taken ages to make. And this one is, Pinkie, do you want to introduce?
Midnight.
Okay, and Midnight is a squirrel. And if you can see, he's really cool. See his tail? And Pinkie has decorated.
Awesome.
And then we have our Scotty Dog. And our Scotty Dog is well cool as well. And I've had to turn around, all the wee bows all over
And
it.
her name is called Teacup.
And there, and get a good look.
And that's Teacup.
That's Teacup. And then last of all is our Tropical Bird, who's really pretty. See the wings?
And her name is called...
There we go.
Her name is called Ocean.
Ocean. Well, they are really cool. Let's line them up and we'll get them in their little houses. Hi, Pinkie. Are you going to introduce all our Amigami houses now?
Yeah.
All the little pets are inside waiting over here to see who's first. And who's this in our lovely house?
So, that is a little baby squirrel.
Oh, look how pretty the house is, and it's got its lights and it's all decorated, and everyone can be decorated however you want to do it because there's so many things we actually didn't use. And then we're on to little Scotty Dog.
And he's adorable.
Yeah, I like the rainbow at the very top. It's so cool. And there's the little letterbox. You've got mail, Scotty Dog. Woof, woof, woof.
Tweet, tweet.
And then back on to
Tweet, tweet. Tweet, tweet.
Tropical
Tweet,
Bird
tweet.
House.
Tweet, tweet. Tweet, tweet.
Hello, little birdie. We
Tweet,
can't hardly
tweet,
see
tweet,
you.
tweet, tweet.
That's
Tweet,
better.
tweet.
Oh, What a pretty house you've got.
Tweet.
Okay, Easy fans, if any of you want to get in touch, it's easiTiVi@gmail.com. And give us a big thumbs up if you liked our video. And don't forget to subscribe.